This is a review on our Shark Lift Away Professional Rotator, and we got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It comes with the manuals and a kit for doing detail work. It also comes with a furniture brush for animal hair and a hard flooring brush. This comes with a carpet vacuum and a caddy, so it turns into a canister vacuum, which is so handy. This is why it's called the Lift Away. As you can see, it very easily lifts from one caddy to the other. It has two types of wands. This long wand is great for doing your hard floors, and then it also pulls off at the handle to do smaller jobs. To empty your Shark, all you have to do is pull that and lift it up, take it to your trash can, push the button, and it all empties very easily and very cleanly. The Lift Away really comes in handy when switching between jobs. I have wood floors and carpet in my house, so switching between those two is really seamless with this vacuum. You can even do it with this vacuum still on, which is pretty amazing. This vacuum also rotates, hence the name Rotator, and I love the way it rotates. It's really easy to maneuver, easier than the Dyson ball. The Shark also comes with this nifty little tool that I just used to clean my Kirby. This is your kit, and it's got your connectors, which you have this connector, which connects to the hose, and then the hose will connect to whatever part you want to use. And then this connector, so it goes like so, that to that, and this to this, and the hose to this. And then you can choose what cleaning tool you want to use, and it works really well. I love cleaning little parts with this kit that came with my Shark. We hope you guys really enjoyed our review. We love our Shark. It's a great vacuum. My little baby here is just starting to crawl. Our Shark Rotator Lift Away Professional Bagless Upright Vacuum. Long name, but it's definitely amazing. And I highly recommend getting it at Bed Bath & Beyond and using a 20% off coupon. That's how we bought ours, and it came out to around $200. It has blown me away with the convenience and it's so lightweight, it's very quiet compared to our last vacuum, and the lift away just makes it something really special that you don't see all the time. I love the lift away part because I can really clean every part of my house without stopping. I can just go from one room to the other, and it makes it really easy and convenient for busy moms who have little babies crawling around on the floors. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I will try to answer them. I am by no means a vacuum expert, but now that I have experience with this one, I can answer some basic questions for you. Thanks for watching and take care.